Welcome back to my channel. I am Lainya, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a full Fenty makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing my full face with Fenty Beauty makeup, so if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with everything that I got. I'm just going to show you everything that I got, and then I'm going to go on into the makeup look. So I got the primer and the foundation. Only thing in this line that I've tried is the foundation, and I have a highlight palette, but that's about it. So I bought the mattifying primer and the foundation, and then I got the instant retouch setting powder in the color Honey, and then I also got the makeup sponge, and then I got the matchsticks, the matte matchsticks. I got the color SUEDE, ESPRESSO, and TRIPPIN. So I got a contour color, a concealer color, and a highlight shimmer color. Then I got the instant warmth bronzer in the color Mocha MAMI. And I also got the KILLAWATT trophy highlighter. This is very popular. This came out when the line first launched, but I'm just now getting it. I've used it before, but I'm just now getting it. And it was like $5 after like a $25 purchase. And then I got this Juicy Stain lipstick in the color Perpsicle. And I also got the Universal lip gloss, the Gloss Bomb in the color Fussy. And then I got a couple of minis. So I got the travel size setting spray, the Dewy makeup setting spray. And I also got the mini full frontal mascara. And then I also got the mini eye primer and eyeliner. And then this here isn't new. I got this as a birthday gift from a friend. It is a highlighter palette, but I'm probably going to use it as my eyeshadow colors. And this is what it looks like here. Everything is pretty much going to be Fenty except for my eyebrows. I already did my eyebrows, of course. I didn't get the eyebrow pencil because I didn't see too many good reviews on the eyebrow pencil. So I just used my regular eyebrow stuff. And then my eyelashes are not going to be Fenty. I don't even think she has eyelashes. So yeah, we're going to get started. So I'm just opening up the beauty sponge right now because I have to wet it before I use it. And this is how small it is right now. We're going to see how big it can get. Okay, so this is how big the beauty blender got. I guess it got a little bit bigger than before. Yes, I'm going to do like I always do and start my eyes first. So I am going to use the primer. Okay, so I'm going to apply this primer. I usually use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my eyes. I don't actually use a real primer, so I'm going to see what this is about. So it's pretty easy to blend in. It's a little sticky, but it's cool. I guess that's a good thing so that the eyeshadow sticks to my eyes. Okay, so here are the colors in the highlighter palette that I'm going to use on my eyes. I don't know which one I want to use because the lipstick I'm going to be wearing is purple. So I kind of want to use this one right here. So I'm going to take this one here and apply this to my lids. And I'm going to apply this with my hands and see how that goes, or my fingers. Okay, so this is cute so far. It's very pigmented. I'm just going to take a clean eyeshadow brush and just blend the top because it is kind of harsh because I applied it with my fingers. I don't know, I kind of want to take like a darker color and do something with my crease. I guess I can use this purple color here, Honey Slope, and then like put that into my crease to kind of blend the two colors. Okay, so I'm going to take another clean brush and just blend this up at the top. Make sure I have no harsh lines. So I pretty much blended in that purple color, and then I blended in the purple shimmer color. So I guess that's all we're gonna do. I don't do too much in my eyes. I'm not really an eyeshadow person. And plus we're gonna have like a purple lip, so I don't think we need to do too much with our eyes, but yeah. I'm just gonna take a makeup remover and clean up the eyeshadow like underneath, because I don't want any eyeshadow underneath, like on my lower lash line. Kind of just want to stay at the top. Okay, so now I'm going to use my FLYLINER eyeliner in the color Cause I'm Black, and I'm just going to do a small wing and then come back. Okay, so I am back. I put on my eyeliner. So now I'm going to put on my lashes. I'm going to use the Full Frontal Mascara. These are lashes that I'm going to be using. LaFleur and Y Mink lashes. So now we're going to get into the face. So I'm going to start off by priming, of course. I'm going to use the FILT'R Mattifying Primer. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. It smells really good. I guess I can say it smells like the foundation. It's very soft. Like a baby powder or like a makeup wipe, I guess. Okay, so the foundation that I got is a soft matte Longwear foundation. I've used this foundation before, but I used the color 430 before, and I thought that color was a little too orange for me. So hopefully this one is more my color. I know that this foundation oxidizes. So I'm going to apply my foundation like I always do. I'm going to use my foundation brush first and then go over it with the beauty sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my highlight, concealer, contour, all of that. So I'm going to be using the match sticks, the matte match sticks in the colors Suede and Espresso. So I'm going to take Suede and I'm going to apply that to the areas I usually highlight. You can see it, but it's not like a super bright highlight. So I'm just going to apply that to the places that I usually apply my highlight. So under my eyes, above my lip, my chin, and down my nose. This is going to be a very subtle highlight or conceal. And this is new because I don't use shade sticks really to highlight. I usually use them to contour. So we're going to see, and we're going to see how it blends out. I think I'm going to add in the contour too. This is Espresso. I'm going to see how this goes. I like this contour color. This is kind of what I was looking for with the Juvia's Place, but I was like a shade too light. So I'm going to blend out my contour first and then do my highlight. So I feel like it's kind of drying down like really fast. So I'm going to take a little bit of the setting spray and just spray my brush down a little bit just so I can move this color a little bit easier because I don't want any harsh lines. Okay, so I think we're good as far as the blending goes. So now I'm going to go in with the setting powder. color in the setting powder is the color Honey, and it comes with this little small puff thing. So I put some in the lid here. So it applies very soft, like the powder is very finely milled. I am going to just use the beauty blender though to apply it some more. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the bronzer in MOCHA MAMI, and I'm just going to take this and apply it to the place that I added my contour. And then I'm just going to brush off this excess powder. I feel like all this makeup is just blending beautifully together, and I'm looking so cute. Like literally all of this is going on like butter, and I don't know, I feel like I picked the right shade with everything. Luckily I've used the foundation before, so that wasn't an issue. I haven't used the matchstick yet, the shimmer stick for my highlight. I mean, I guess right now will be a good time to do it, but first I'm just going to spray my face and then I'll go in with my highlighters. The spray is just so soft. It's like the softest, faintest mist. And it smells really good too. So that's a plus. So I'm just gonna let this kind of like dry up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shimmer stick in the color Trippin. It's like an orangish color. I guess I can add this to my cheeks as like a base or something. This probably would have went a lot better if I would have did it beforehand, but it's cool. Actually, you know what? I could probably put this on my nose and my eyebrows, and that might actually work a lot better. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color Perpsicle in the lip stain and apply this to my lips. We're gonna see what this looks like. This is really cute, but something about it is just telling me to tone it down just a little bit. So I'm gonna add a brown lip liner around my lips and then blend that in. And then I'm just gonna add some of the Gloss Balm just to say that I used it. This is in the color Fussy. And now I'm gonna go in with Trophy Wipe, and I'm gonna apply it to my cheeks and my nose and just highlight my face. I'm gonna go back to my eyes really quick, and I'm just gonna add some color in my inner tear duct, and then I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is my full face of Fenty. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I tried to do something a little different than what I usually do. I want to do a more fun look. I did pick purple lipstick, so it's definitely something different than the nude lip gloss look that I always do. But yeah, this is my look. This is what I came up with my full face of Fenty. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it was helpful for you guys, if it was entertaining, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.